4.2 magnitude earthquake hits near Stanley. Southwestern and south-central Idaho may have felt a bump on Friday evening after a 4.2 magnitude earthquake happened near Stanley. The National Weather Service in Boise said the earthquake happened around 8:10 p.m. Mountain on Friday. The quake's preliminary magnitude was 4.2. The USGS reports that the earthquake's epicenter was in the Salt Mountain Range, west of Salt Lake and near the Stanley Lake Creek.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.